Thousands of Al-Nusra Front and other jihadist groups passed the Turkish border to fight against Kurds in Syria. On 14th to 17th of February 2016, during day and night, thousands of Islamic jihadist groups with black headbands written Muhammad Rasul Allah, exactly the same as the ISIS flag, have entered from Turkey to Azaz in North Syria, the place that Kurdish YPG wants to take control to cut the ISIS and Al-Nusra's main military supply line, but Turkey say they won't let to fall. Transferring jihadists to Syria starts from three directions. One direction was from near Tel Rafat. After Kurds took control of Tel Rafat, Turkish forces opened the corridor for Al-Nusra fighters, who run from Kurds and escorting and transfer them from ISIS control zone till they exited from Syria's Idlib governorate and entered Turkey. After travelled 4 to 5 hours across Turkey, they re-entered from Kilis-Azaz border to Syria. As West Azaz encircled by Kurdish forces, and Turkish government don't want to fall to the Kurds because this is the main border that Islamic State and Al-Nusra Front receive help from Saudi Arabia and Qatar via Turkey. Another transfer was groups of 350 Islamic State fighters who have entered to Syria from Turkey via Atima border. Since 14th of February 2016, in total of 2,700 jihadists have entered North Syria, accompanied by 53 pickup trucks mounted with heavy machine guns, many missiles, and armoured vehicles, tanks which is mostly filmed by Kurdish Hawar news agency known as Anha. This transfer of jihadist groups from all around the world to Azaz just starts after Turkish Prime Minister said Turkey won't let Syrian town of Azaz fall under Kurdish control.
Her adımına aynen mukabil ederiz. YPG'nin ve arkasındaki güçlerin de Türkiye'nin bu konudaki tutumunu bilmesi lazım. YPG derhal Azaz ve çevresinden uzaklaşacak.
Turkey supports these jihadist groups to fight against Kurdish force YPG in Syria, as well as Syrian government, but Turkish main goal is destroying Kurdish YPG by using these jihadists. It has been more than 7 days that Turkish army is non-stop shelling Kurdish YPG fighters in Syria. The UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon warned on Wednesday that escalating military activity in Syria and threats of further use of force risk derailing efforts to reconvene peace talks and find a political solution to the 5-year-old war. Ban was delivering his first report to the Security Council on implementation of a council resolution adopted in December that endorsed a peace process for Syria, including a ceasefire and talks between the Damascus government and opposition, reported by Botin Kurdistani for RH News Agency, 19th of February 2006.
المرسلين وخاتم النبيين محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. بيننا نحن قاطع حماة جبهة النصرة لتلبية نداء اخواننا في ريف حلب الشمالي وريف حلب الجنوبي.
الجامعة